Hello children, are you ready with your copies? So let's start the work. You have this copy with you and there are 4 margin lines in it. Okay, so first of all you note down the date. You make a line here, then today's date is, write down 1, 7, then make a slanting line, then 4, this is the month, then make a slanting line again and write down 2, 0, 2, 0. That means 2020. This is the year. Okay. Now we start our work. The English alphabet letters. Okay. We will start from, not from the first line. We leave this first line. We start from the second line. The first letter in English alphabet in cursive handwriting is A. How to make A? I will show you here. See carefully, okay? You put your pencil on the blue line and then you take the pencil on the above blue line and make a circle, then come down and make a turn and stop between these two lines, okay? You stop here, this letter. Next, after A, what letter comes? Yeah, that is B. So we start B from the blue line, near from the margin line, near to the margin line, okay? So you take a slanting line, then touch the red line, come from the back side straight, touching the blue line, you go up till the above blue line and make a loop and stop. This is called B. After B, we will write C. Same on the blue line, start in a slanting way, we go up on the blue line, then make a half circle and stop the pencil here. Again I'm telling you, I'm telling you that stop between these two lines, okay? The next is, what comes after C? You just read it again. A, B, C, then D. Yes, the next letter is D. So for D, we put the pencil on the blue line again and make a circle like this, like A, okay? But in D, we little bit go up and stop the pencil between red line and this above blue line, okay? Then we come down to the below blue line and make a turn from here, stop, okay? Now the next letter, A, B, C, D, that is E. Yes, you write down E here. We go up from here, then touching the blue line, come from the back side like a curve, half circle and stop here. This is called E. Okay. After E, what letter is come? That is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now, how to write F? I will show you here. You put your pencil on the blue line, then make a slanting line. Like B, you come down from the back side. But here, we take this line till the below red line and make a turn from here till the above blue line. Okay? And then make a loop and come out like this. This is called F. After F, what comes after F? That is G. So how we write G? Put the pencil here on the blue line, then go up on the above blue line, then make a circle like A, then come down, but now you come till the below red line and make a turn from here till the below blue line and stop the pencil here. So this is G. Again, what comes after G? Start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and then H. How to make H? Put your pencil on the blue line, then again a slanting line, touch the red line and come from the back side down till the below blue line and then from the same line you go up on the above blue line and come out from there to the below blue line and make a curve. Stop the pencil between these two lines. Okay. Now next, what comes after H? you have to read again these letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. After H, I. How to write I? Same. Put your pencil on the blue line. Make a slanting line till the above blue line. Then you come down straight and make a loop, make a turn here and stop. And put a dot on it. This is called I. Now the last letter here, that is, again you read it. When you read all these letters, the last letter will be J. After I, J. In the same manner like I, we start from the blue line and touch the above blue line. Then you come down to the below red line and make a turn from here to the below blue line and stop the pencil here. Then put a dot on the top. Okay. In the same manner, you will do your homework at home. From here, like A, all the A, this line will be completed with A. This line will be completed by B. In the same manner, you complete your work at home. Okay? Bye. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.